Hello everyone. Well, this is Sweet Meadow. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to do an unboxing. Actually, it's an unenveloping of some tea, green tea. Well, I'm thinking, yes, green tea from Japan. Sent, as you can see, as a gift, small packet, hibiki-an green tea, which can be purchased at hibiki-an.com, sent to me. And we're going to go ahead and open it up and see what they sent me to demonstrate here today. Okay, what they sent was Tencha Karigane. And a little note here that they sent, dated June 2018, and it says, "Hello, Sweet Meadow. This July here at hibiki-an, we will celebrate our 14th anniversary of being in business. We deeply appreciate your support and are so pleased to be able to continue to offer the best quality teas at a good value. We would like to share our 14th anniversary with you by sending a small gift, Tencha Karigane, as a token of our gratitude and appreciation. Tencha Karigane has a unique noble flavor comprised of stems and veins of Tencha tea leaf. Tencha is a specific type of tea used for matcha. Before the leaves are ground into fine powder, it is difficult to secure the stems and veins of Tencha and to process into Tencha Karigane. Only a few people know of its noble flavor. We carefully roasted this special tea in order to bring out its noble flavor. We would like to continue to expand genuine Japanese green tea culture throughout the world. If you have any requests or questions regarding our teas or services, please don't hesitate to contact us. Very best wishes." Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to heat up some water and we're going to demonstrate how to make the tea. We're going to read the directions here. This is how to enjoy Tencha Karigane. For 2 cups, tea leaves 1½ tablespoons, 7 to 8 grams, water temperature at 140 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, amount of water 200 cc's, waiting time 1 to 1½ to 2 minutes. So we're going to open this. I'm going to measure out enough for 2 cups. And I'm going to shut my water off just before it starts to boil, and that is approximately going to be the perfect temperature that we're looking for. So I'm going to watch that a second, and I'm going to go ahead and click the water off. And then I'm going to open the tea. Smell that. It smells really good. I'm going to show you. I hope you could see what that looks like inside the bag. There might not be enough light, but it smells really good. So we will go ahead and we will put a few teaspoons in. It says 1½ to 2 tablespoons. So that gives you a good idea what the tea looks like. It looks very rich, smells very rich. And then I'm going to go ahead and pour some water. And that's going to be approximately 2 teacups, as it suggests. And we're going to give it the 1.5 to 2 minutes waiting time. I like to kind of swish it around a little bit. Let it swirl. And then we're going to let it start settling. And let the tea start settling a little bit before we press it. And I'm going to watch the timer a little bit here. I purchase all my tea products from hibiki-an.com because we are very happy with this farm. This is being shipped directly from the tea farm. There is no third party involved. This is not a tea store. This is the farm in which they grow the tea, pick the tea, and process the tea and ship it out. I feel that the prices are the best, eliminating the middleman, which is the tea stores. And I encourage you to look on their website and explore the different teas, the different products, the different tea products, and they have a variety of things. And they even have some tea crackers and tea pastries if you enjoy tea. So we've already passed a minute. We're just going to let it brew a little longer. And then I'm going to press and pour into a clear glass, and then you can see what it will look like. I like my tea a little strong, so I'm going to let it go a little longer. And as you can see, it's settling. And I have used the tea stems and leaves twice. I have done that. Some folks don't, but I do. And so that's about good right there. And I'm going to go ahead and hit the press very slowly. And then I'm going to pour into a clear matcha bowl so you can see the color of the tea. And then we are going to taste it. That looks wonderful. You can see the color, the green tea. It's beautiful. It has a beautiful color. Has a wonderful aroma. And I'm going to taste it for you guys. That is really good. That is perfect. That is perfect. Thank you, hibiki-an. Please, if you like this video, subscribe, like, and share. Check the descriptions below. I will have all kinds of good information in the descriptions for you. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.